Okay, I'm going to show you a fast way to copy and paste text in CodeSpace. So I've got this block of code I want to enter, and it has pretty much the same text over and over again, except for the name of the image changes. Square, happy, house, and asleep. So I've already got the first one typed over here. Let me see if I can show you how to quickly copy this. So I can use my touchpad or my mouse. I can click and then drag to select those lines. Now, once I've got them selected, hold down the Control key and press C. Control C. Now I can either use the keyboard arrows or the mouse, position my cursor where I want it, and then hold down the Control key and press V to paste. So that was Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Once I've pasted it, I can hit Control V again, Control V again. Now I've pasted it another couple of times. So let's see. Square, happy, house, asleep. I can double click on the word and then type right over it. And there you have it. Copy and paste done quickly. Now, as an added bonus, let me show you a couple more things. For one, you may find it more convenient just to use the keyboard to select your text. So if you don't want to reach for the touchpad or the mouse, you can hold down Shift and then you can use your arrow keys, right, left, up, or down to select lines. So in this case, I'm selecting these two lines, and I can hold down Control C and use the arrow keys to position, Control V to paste. Once I've got it, I can paste it a few more times. So I'm just using purely the arrow keys here, holding down Shift, select. Then if I wanted to cut this text, take it off, Control X. So Control X cuts. So then I can position somewhere else, Control V and paste. So that's a way to move text around with Control X to cut. Remember, Control C is copy, Control V is paste, and Control X is cut.